video, we took a look at how T could extend number, and we got all the options that are available on the number class. Now I have a little, I made a little interface, printable. It has one method, and I say T must extend the printable interface, and when it does, I can call the interface on T. So every object I put in here, I can call the interface that it has implemented. I can take this another step further. Over here, I have another example. I have a box with a generic. It takes a T, and it extends both printable and +1 interface. I have the +1 interface over here, has the method add1. Here I have a class that implements both of them, and then I can put in the box as type my other class, and this complies with the double interface, and now I can call the print as well as the add1, and it also has the type safety. If I replace it with the my class, it will say that my class does not contain the +1 interface. And there is no other way in Java how you can force the compiler or a tool to use or to check on both interfaces. It's always possible to have a list or a argument of one interface or another, but it's with generics, it's the only way in whole Java to force something to use both interfaces to comply with the argument. And this is really great when you take your interface segregation principle very seriously throughout your project. So this is maybe even the best way of using generics in your own projects. This code will be available in the comments down below.